Are you tired of charts that look like this? A tangled mess of lines and colors that just leaves you more confused and further away from making profitable trades? What if I told you that you could strip all of this away and trade with a clean, simple, and incredibly powerful 3-indicator strategy? In the next 7 minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how to combine this incredible price action toolkit with 2 classic trusted indicators to build a complete trading plan that you can start using today, whether you trade Forex, crypto, or stocks. Stick around, because the rules I'm about to share are a complete game changer. You don't want to miss this. All right, so the magic of this strategy isn't just the indicators themselves, but how we use them together. We give each indicator a specific job. First, we need to know the overall market condition. Are we in an uptrend or a downtrend? This tells us whether we should be looking to buy or sell. Second, we identify an area of value. This is a high-probability zone on the chart where we can expect a reaction. We'll wait patiently for the price to come to us. And third, we need an entry trigger. This is our final confirmation signal that tells us, okay, it's time to enter the trade. This 3-step process turns trading from a guessing game into a disciplined, logical plan. And the indicators we've chosen are perfect for each job. The heart of our strategy is the Price Action Toolkit by Flux Charts. Now, don't be intimidated by the fancy name or all the features it has. This tool simply automates complex concepts that professional traders use, making them easy for us to see. First, it helps us understand market structure. It automatically prints these BOS labels, which stand for break of structure. Think of this as the market telling you the trend is continuing. In an uptrend, a bullish BOS means we've broken a previous high, showing strength. It also shows us a CHoCH, or change of character. This is a warning sign that the trend might be reversing. For our strategy, we'll focus on trading with the trend, so these BOS signals are key confirmations. Next, the toolkit draws our areas of value for us. See these colored boxes? These are fair value gaps, or FVGs. You can think of them as price magnets. When price moves very quickly in one direction, it leaves behind an imbalance or inefficiency. Price often loves to come back and fill this gap before continuing its move. The toolkit draws them automatically, giving us a precise zone to watch. It also identifies order blocks. These are specific candles that show where big institutions, the smart money, likely placed a huge number of orders. When price returns to these zones, we can expect a powerful reaction. They are like supercharged support and resistance levels. Essentially, this one indicator cleans up our chart and automatically points us to the most important areas to watch for a potential trade. Use my link in the description and use code POWER and get a discount. Now, to make the Price Action Toolkit even more powerful, we add 2 classic indicators for Confluence. First, we add the 200 EMA. This is our trend filter. The rule is incredibly simple. If the price is trading above the 200 EMA, the trend is bullish, and we only look for buy setups. If the price is below the 200 EMA, the trend is bearish, and we only look for sell setups. This single line acts as our traffic light and prevents us from making the #1 mistake in trading, fighting the main trend. It also acts as a powerful dynamic support and resistance level. Second, we add the RSI. This is our entry trigger. After the price has pulled back into one of our key zones from the toolkit, we look at the RSI for confirmation that momentum is shifting back in our favor. For a buy trade, we want to see the RSI become oversold, dipping below 30, and then cross back up, showing that buyers are stepping in. For a sell trade, we want to see the RSI become overbought, going above 70, and then cross back down, showing sellers are taking control. This gives us that final objective piece of confirmation before we risk any money. Okay, let's put it all together. Here is the complete plan for our trend flow confluence strategy. Go ahead and screenshot this right now because this is your trading checklist. It's a simple 4-step process. Step 1. Check the 200 EMA for the trend direction. Step 2. Wait patiently for price to pull back into a pat order block or fair value gap. Step 3. Wait for the RSI to give us a signal and for a strong confirmation candle to print on the chart. Step 4. Execute the trade. Set your stop loss below the zone and target the next logical liquidity level that the toolkit shows you. That's it. It's a complete mechanical plan that removes emotion and guesswork from your trading. Let's see this in action on a real chart. Here we have EUR USD on the 1-hour chart. Okay, step 1, trend filter. Price is clearly trading below our yellow 200 EMA, so our bias is bearish. We are only looking for short selling opportunities. Step 2. Area of value. We see the price is rallying up, pulling back towards the EMA. And look at this. The Price Action Toolkit has drawn a perfect bearish order block right here. This is our high probability zone. Now, we don't sell yet. We wait patiently. Step 3. Entry trigger. Price pushes into our order block. We look down at our RSI. It spikes above the 70 level, indicating an overbought condition. Then, on this next candle, it crosses back below 70. At the same time, we get this huge, powerful bearish engulfing candle. That is our double confirmation. Step 4. Execute and manage. We enter a short position on the close of this bearish candle. We place our stop loss just a few pips above the high of the order block zone, giving the trade room to breathe. For our target, the toolkit has identified this sell-side liquidity level down here. We set our take profit there, giving us a clean 3-to-1 reward to risk trade. And as you can see, the price melts down and hits our target perfectly. No stress, no guessing, just following the plan. Now, this strategy is powerful, but it's not foolproof. The number one mistake you can make is a lack of patience. You will see price enter an order block, and you'll be tempted to jump in early before you get the RSI and candle confirmation. Don't do it. Waiting for that final trigger is what separates high-probability setups from coin flips. Always wait for all three of your conditions, trend, zone, and trigger, to align. Discipline is your greatest asset as a trader. So there you have it, a simple, powerful strategy that combines the best of automated price action with classic confirmation tools. The key is discipline. Follow the rules, always manage your risk, and be sure to backtest this on your favorite assets to see how it performs for you. If you got any value from this video, do me a huge favor and hit that like button. It takes 1 second and tells YouTube that this content is helpful, so more people can see it. And make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss the next strategy video I release. I have a question for you. What's your favorite indicator to combine with price action? Let me know in the comments section below. I read and respond to as many as I can. Thanks for watching, trade safe, and I'll see you in the next one.